everyone, let us discuss the similar kind of question like question number 22. The concept is again relative velocity. So what is the relative velocity? We have seen VAB equal to VA bar minus VB bar. So again here if you consider the question, a national flag attached to a stick arranged on the top of cabin of lorry. So if wind is blowing towards east with speed 3v and lorry moving towards north with a speed 4v, find the direction in which flag will sail. So here lorry is moving towards north. So the lorry is moving towards north, truck or lorry. So if it is moving towards north, the flag will get velocity in opposite direction. It will fly in opposite direction. You knew it. So that here the flag velocity of flag, how much? Same, 4v, but it is in south direction. Now wind is blowing towards east. Wind is blowing towards east. This is east. With a speed 3v. So velocity of wind is 3v. Now they are asking velocity of, find the direction in which flag will sail. That means velocity of flag with respect to wind. Because wind velocity also will affect it. So that velocity of flag minus velocity of wind. So velocity of flag is 4v towards south. I told you that always consider east west is like I cap and minus I cap. North south is like j cap and minus j cap. Here this is south. So 4v minus j cap minus wind is 3v along east means I cap. So that minus 4v j cap minus 3v I cap. Negative x axis, negative x component, negative y component. So the relative velocity must lie in negative x, negative y means it should lie in third region. Means what? Between west and south. So what should be the direction, or in which direction the flag will sail? In between west and south. If you want to find exactly angle theta, with west theta means tan theta. So with x axis. Y component is how much? Minus 4v. By x component minus 3v. 4 by 3. Tan theta 4 by 3 means theta 53 degrees. So flag will sail at an angle 53 degrees south of west. 53 degrees south of west. Because I told you that with west angle is there means you have to take the west at last. South of west. What angle? 53 degrees. And what is the magnitude? If you want to find the magnitude, then you have to take the magnitude of this relative velocity vector. That is under root 3v square, 9v square, 4v square, that is 16v square equal to 5v. So this is the direction, this is the magnitude. But here especially they are asking direction. So please try to take care of the vector notation properly and always try to consider in this manner, like east is I cap, north is j cap. Thank you.